Hello everyone, here we've got the Motorola Moto E22 and let me show you how to perform the soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button and hold it for a while. Keep holding. And now you can release the button. Within a couple of seconds your device will be rebooted and you will be able to use it in a normal way. And that's it. As you can see, now you can smoothly unlock your device and use it in a normal way. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.